In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a GIF in GIMP. By the end, you'll turn a series of images into a smooth, looping animation you can share anywhere. We'll keep it simple and stick to the essentials while I explain why each step matters so you feel confident doing it again on your own. First, open GIMP. We're going to load all the frames at once so they stack neatly in a single project. Go to the top menu and choose File, then Open as Layers. In the File browser, navigate to the images you want to animate. Select them all, using Shift for a continuous range or Control or Command for individual picks, then click Open. GIMP will place each image on its own layer. In this workflow, each layer equals one frame in the final GIF, so you've already built the foundation of the animation just by opening them this way. Next, arrange the order of your frames. Look at the Layers panel, typically on the right side. The key detail to remember is that the bottom layer is the first frame of your animation and the top layer is the last. If anything looks out of sequence, simply drag layers up or down until the order matches how you want the animation to play. Taking a moment here saves time later because the export will follow exactly what you see in this stack. Now, let's preview the GIF to make sure it flows. Go to Filters, then Animation, and choose Playback. A small window will open. Click Play to watch your frames cycle. Use this preview to confirm that the story makes sense from start to finish and that you didn't accidentally reverse anything. If it looks right here, you're on track. When you're done, close the preview window to return to your project. Finally, export it as a GIF. Go to File, then Export As. In the Name field, type your file name and make sure it ends with .gif. This tells GIMP exactly what format to use. Click Export. You may see a dialog with GIF options. With a simple frame-by-frame animation like this, the default settings are fine, so just confirm by clicking Export again. GIMP will process the layers and create your animated GIF. That's it. You opened images as layers, arranged the frames in the correct order, previewed the result, and exported a shareable GIF. Save your project if you want to tweak it later, and you're ready to post your animation wherever you like.